All right, what's up, guys? Just a quick update on Bitcoin. As I mentioned in the past videos, nothing, nothing changed here. If we take the EMA ribbons, like I mentioned, we were bearish, on the 6 hours, so we're most likely going to drop to around this region. On the daily time frame, we are falling down. We are falling down, and then on the daily time frame, if it does break that, then it wouldn't be so good. But as you see, we are getting supported by this region right here and the last EMA ribbon right here, which is a very, very strong one. If I zoom in, it got hit right here at the 35 EMA level, as you guys can see, at the 43,000 range. Before 44, between 44K and 42K is probably it's probably a good buy region. So I would probably start dollar cost averaging down my position. We're probably going to see some consolidation before breaking up to the upside within the next week or so. That's on the daily. We're still bullish, by the way, guys, on the daily time frame, of course. Um, on the 6 hour, we're bearish, of course. We're below the ribbons. We've been below here for a little bit, as you guys can see during the last correction, the 30% drop. This is a 30% drop. We were below here, so nothing to worry about. We should pop right back up soon. Not financial advice, of course, guys. Do your own research. Um, Also on the 4 hour, we're a little bit bearish, but that's okay. Like I mentioned in the last video, this should be the target between 44 to 42K. So that's just a quick update, guys. I'm gonna be doing a Binance tutorial today for you guys if you guys are having trouble. Let's check the RSI real quick. RSI is low. It's nice. To be at 45K, 44K, and to have an RSI at 39, that's pretty good on the 6 hour. On the 4 hour, on the 6 hour is low. It's nice. Daily, it's dropping down, guys. It's always a good sign to see, the RSI low and the price being high, because it just means we're gonna see more. There's more room for growth, essentially, if that makes sense. So that's that, guys. Just a quick Bitcoin update. Now we're just gonna go on to Binance, guys. Now you're gonna create an account, obviously, with the link below. If you already have an account and you guys don't know how to set trades, or how to trade, what to do, you're gonna go to once you have your account set up, you're gonna go to trade, and you want to do classic. Don't do advanced, a little bit more complicated, but you want to go on classic. And this is the Bitcoin USDT chart, guys. As you guys can see on the top left right here, Bitcoin USDT. This is the chart, guys. If you guys don't know candlesticks, I would look that up, or maybe I can make a video. If you guys comment below, tell me what you guys want to do next, or what you guys want me to do next, I will do it. You guys want to go on spot. Spot is essentially the money that you have that is not on margin or futures. So this is what you guys want to do. If you guys want to look, first of all, you guys, there's a website called CoinMarketCap. Okay. Now, CoinMarketCap, you can see all the list of coins there are. It ranks from the best to the least best, I guess you would say. And all these coins are, they're all on Binance. And you could pick one of them, do your own research, of course. If you guys want to pick DOT, then you guys would go to Binance. After you've done your research, you would hit DOT. That's a ticker, by the way, guys, as you guys can see right here, DOT. Next to Polkadot, you would hit DOT, and you want to type in DOT USDT, because when you're going to be depositing, dollars or euros, whatever it is, you want to buy USDT. You don't want to buy Bitcoin. You could buy Bitcoin if you want to invest in Bitcoin, of course. But so let's say you want to invest in DOT, you would hit DOT, and let's say you want to put, an order at $30, let's say, which is right here, then you would go on limit, and you would hit $30, and then you would hit, I don't know, however much money you have, so 500 or 200 dots. It's actually dots, so you want to buy 50 dot, let's say, it's $1,500 at $30. So this is what you would do. If you want to get your order to be bought instantly, then you would essentially do a market order. Now, guys, stop loss and stop limit is for risk management. That means if you guys are a trader and you guys want to, are playing with high money, and you're a daily trader, you don't want to invest, then you guys can go on OCO limit. You have a take profit, which is right here, the price, a stop, which is if it reaches that. It's a stop is essentially a condition. That means if DOT would reach $30, for instance, then and you want to put a stop limit at 28, then once it reaches $30, an order will be put in the order book for $28. So right now it's not on the order book, but it will be put inside the order book once the stop limit, or the stop limit is reached, or the stop target. So that's an OCO. It's other cancels the other. That's what it stands for, if you guys didn't know. It's very useful, guys. You could take your profit and have a stop loss at the same time. Very, very cool. Another thing, guys, if you guys want to trade margin, which of course I don't recommend unless you guys know, you guys would go to margin right here. You guys, sorry, my bad. You guys would go to not margin order. You guys would go to the margin wallet, as you guys can see, and yeah, so you could essentially transfer right here, top right. You guys would transfer, you would transfer USDT to your margin, and then you would hit it's obviously times 3, so you would hit borrow, and then you would hit like 100% essentially. 100% to I don't have money in the margin account right now, but you would essentially put 100%. This is for privacy, guys. I don't want to show everyone my my portfolio, what I'm holding, because I don't want you guys to copy me, of course. I want you guys to do your own research. So yeah, you would essentially do that. If you want to 3x Bitcoin, you would hit borrow, and you would hit 100%, of course. Up to you guys. You guys don't have to do it. Now you could get liquidated using margin, which I don't recommend unless you're experienced in trading or in the field. I would obviously look up what margin is before doing anything. Now spot is more for investing. Spot, it stays, whatever is in your account, it will stay. That means you have no chance of getting liquidated. In the long term, you will most likely make money if you don't panic sell, of course, when the market falls down. So that's it, guys. Once you will deposit, you're gonna go to trade, you're gonna go to classic, and here are all the coins, all the options. You're obviously gonna want to go on USDT. You're gonna go on fiat USDT, and these are essentially all the coins you have. You can buy, of course. So you have BAN, Bitcoin Cash, Beam, Bell, Binance Coin, which is BNB, and all of them show a different chart, of course. You have Cake, you have Sushi Coin, guys. You literally have everything. Of course, do your own research and pick something you like. Go on CoinMarketCap once again, guys, right here. Pick something you like, Ethereum, Cardano. Pick something that is interesting, that interests you guys. Chainlink. For example, you could go on Chainlink right here. Link, and you could essentially essentially trade Link as well. Here's the order book, guys. Market trades are the trades that are happening right now. As you guys can see, someone sold 178 cakes at this time. Very cool. You have market activities here, guys. You could see who bought a lot, who bought a little, what's happening, who sold, who shorted, whatever it is. And you guys, then you also have futures. I'm not going to get into it right now. It's a little bit complicated. Another thing, guys, get your account verified, so it will be easier for you to withdraw your money, of course. So if you have your account verified, that's great. If you don't, get that done, guys. But yeah, that's all I have for today, guys. If you have any questions, put a comment below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.